Crete is the largest island in Greece and the fifth largest in the Mediterranean Sea. The island is home to approximately 630,000 residents. Crete is known for its rich history, being the center of the Minoan civilization, one of the earliest advanced civilizations in Europe. The famous archaeological site of Knossos, believed to be the palace of King Minos, is located on the island. The Minoans are credited with creating one of the earliest forms of written language, known as Linear A. Crete has a unique dialect of Greek called Cretan Greek, which has distinct vocabulary and pronunciation. The island has a Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Crete is home to the Samaria Gorge, one of Europe's longest gorges, stretching for 10 miles. The Cretan diet is famous for its health benefits and is a major contributor to the concept of the Mediterranean diet. Olive oil from Crete is highly esteemed and is a staple of Cretan cuisine, with many families producing it for personal use. The island has over 3,000 species of plants, including many endemic species found nowhere else in the world. Crete has a rugged mountainous terrain, with the White Mountains, Lefka Ori, being the tallest range. The island's highest peak is Mount Ida, which rises to 2,456 meters, 8,058 feet, and is associated with Greek mythology. According to myth, Zeus was born and raised in a cave on Mount Ida. Crete has a long coastline of approximately 1,046 kilometers, 651 miles, with many beautiful beaches. Eliphaniside Beach, known for its pink sand and crystal clear waters, is considered one of the best beaches in the world. The local economy is primarily based on agriculture, tourism, and trade. The island produces wine, goat's cheese, feta, and distinctive Cretan raki, a traditional alcoholic drink. Crete has a variety of traditional villages, many of which have preserved their historic architecture and customs. The historical city of Chania boasts a beautiful Venetian harbor and old town, showcasing its diverse cultural influences. Heraklion is the capital of Crete and is the largest city on the island. Crete suffered significant destruction during World War II, particularly during the Battle of Crete. The island has several ancient ruins and archaeological sites, including Phaistos and Gortina. The Cretan people are known for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. Cretan music features traditional instruments like the lyra, lauto, and lute. The famous Sirtaki dance, often associated with Greek culture, was actually choreographed for the film Zorba the Greek. Many Cretan festivals celebrate local traditions, music, and food, attracting visitors year-round. The island is rich in folklore and legends, including stories about the Minotaur and the Labyrinth. The Cretan Revolution against Ottoman rule lasted from 1866 to 1898 and played a significant role in the history of Greece. There are more than 2,000 churches and monasteries scattered throughout the island, showcasing its religious history. Crete hosts numerous species of birds, making it a popular destination for birdwatchers. The island's diverse ecosystems include forests, mountains, and coastal areas, supporting various wildlife. Cretan honey is renowned for its unique flavors derived from the island's diverse flora. Traditional Cretan music emphasizes improvisation and is often performed at social gatherings. Many Cretan dishes feature wild greens, legumes, and locally sourced ingredients. The island has a number of uninhabited islets, perfect for day trips and exploring nature. The fairy tale of the Golden Fleece is believed to be inspired by Crete's rich historical tapestry. The ancient Greeks considered Crete a cradle of civilization and a significant trading hub. The island has a network of well-preserved walking trails, ideal for hiking enthusiasts. Crete enjoys a vibrant nightlife, especially in tourist areas like Agios Nikolaos and Malea. Iconic dishes include moussaka, dakos, and kalatsunia, showcasing local ingredients. The island's landscapes have been a filming location for numerous movies and TV series. The Cretan shepherds are known for their nomadic lifestyle, tending to their flocks in the mountains. Crete has several natural parks, including the Samaria National Park and the Cretan Sea Marine Park. The island is a popular destination for both history buffs and nature lovers. Cretans celebrate weddings with elaborate, multi-day festivities, often featuring traditional music and dance. The island's mythological connections include stories of Hercules and many other gods. Crete offers a variety of adventure sports, including snorkeling, scuba diving, and rock climbing. The local artisan population creates beautiful pottery, textiles, and handcrafted goods. The island experiences a mix of cultural influences from its long history, including Venetian and Ottoman elements. The island has a plethora of small, picturesque villages, each with its own unique charm.